Hello, welcome to Blue Lizard Farm. We created this series to help future farmers in Southern Nevada learn from our mistakes. Yeah, reinventing the wheel. I've tried that, and what I found is that it takes more time for me to figure out and build something than it is to find what's already out there and available for specialty crop growers. These videos are brought to you by Nevada Department of Agriculture's Specialty Crop Grant Program and the USDA. If you like the content here, please subscribe.